4. I just got done filming my Clash of Clans gameplay part 4, and yeah, so again, just like I said in my other Let's Play, I haven't uploaded in a while. I haven't gotten around to it, and I haven't made any new videos in a while either, sadly enough, but yeah, I'm sorry. But now I'm back on track again. Cool. My headquarters level 7. I'm sorry. I gotta pause it again.